Hi, Emerson. Are you being silly? Hi. You got sweet potato all over your face. Hi. You have a sweet potato mustache. And you're doing a really weird snorting thing tonight. You are kicking away. Except for when I bring out the camera. There you go. Hi. Oh, you're silly. Sweet potato. Oh, you feed yourself? Oh, wonderful. Oh, you can't? Yeah, you gotta take your fingers out. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, you help it in then. Wonderful. Thank you. Hi. I think you like sweet potato. I wonder if there's some added sugar in there. Oh, didn't put any in. Maybe your dad did. You're acting like you're all hopped up on goop balls. Oh, really? You're kind of grubby, you know. Uh-oh. I'm going to start spraying sweet potato all over, are you?